Hello guys, this is Luxury Creeper. Welcome back to another video. If you see later on, if you see dogs in my world, I was playing on creative. Sorry for my cheating actions. I'm very deeply sorry. But I mean, I couldn't resist. I had to get some dogs. So I got some dogs. Now I'm in Creeper Canyon, that's what I call it. Trying to break the lava flows. Trying to stop the lava. Maybe if I can plug up this. Oh god. Good thing lava travels slow, or else I would have been dead meat. There's a bunch of iron down there I want to get to. I don't know if I can. I'd have to go all the way around. I can land. If I could land in the water without dying, I could have a chance. But if I land in the... Not even that far away. Crud. You know what? I don't want to explore Creeper Canyon, so I know where Creeper Canyon is. I gotta go around Creeper Canyon get where that all that iron and that redstone, which I actually may need eventually. Yeah, because I want to make redstone lamps. I know you need redstone. It's like a key ingredient. So I'm gonna have to go around Creeper Canyon. So going around Creeper Canyon. So Creeper Canyon's down there. I'm going around to this side. There we go. Now I have a better chance of getting that iron I've been longing for. I can remember where the spot was. I can get it. Problem is I don't remember where the spot was, so yeah. Kind of a problem. So I'm gonna try and get down here without dying. I don't think I'll die. Yeah, I didn't. I knew I wouldn't die. I figured most of my health would be lost. Oh well, that didn't work. Okay, I gotta go through this. Ah, crud. Ah, crud. Okay, I can fight for my life. Fight for my life. Fight for my life. There's obsidian. I know where to get obsidian. Oh god. Oh wow. Fight for my life. Fight for my life. Please. Don't let me die. Don't let me die. I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. I get up here on this stone block. Ah, crud. There. Not. I'm just gonna have one iron rules. So now I'm finally at the bottom of Creeper Canyon. That's one source of lava. Oh, I could probably build to the top of that. Ah, crud. No, don't freaking die. Okay, now I'm mad. Whenever you hear me say the word freaking, you know I'm mad. Whatever. Not that I say that often, but if you ever do hear me say it, you know I'm mad. Oh, crud, there's a drowned. Hey, buddy, over here. Hey, buddy, yeah, follow me. Oh, crud. Okay, make sure I don't fall in the Creeper Canyon. Make sure he did. Oh, God, there's a creeper, too. Let's see this. Oh, did he get the drowned? I think he got the drowned. I don't know that for sure, but where's that iron? So the iron, I don't know, I'll find it. So if I can try and plug up that lava hole over there. Probably. Okay, now I have to go back to this. I'm gonna try and plug up all the lava. That's my goal for this mission. So this video is gonna be about plugging up the lava, so that way I can explore. Whatchamacallit. I call it Creeper Canyon. You guys may have another name for it. I personally call it Creeper Canyon because it's my world, my name. So I'm gonna have to make a new iron pickaxe soon. Alright, so oh god. What? Oh god. Okay, now I'm really getting farther away from the lava, which is not good. Probably will die again. Again. There we go, right next door. You know what, never mind. I'm just gonna get you out. Boom. Some flint. Oh, I can make myself some flint and steel. That's way too close for comfort. There we go. That should help. I think there's one more lava port. Of course, the canyon's gonna get a little dark, though. Well, there's still lava down there. I'm not exactly sure why. There must be another source of lava somewhere else, but I'm hoping. I don't know why that lava's still there. There must be like another source supplying it. Oh, that lava is moving very slowly. So we plugged up. I think there was 3 lava ports, so we plugged up 2 out of 3. Ah, crap. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay. Well, I've used up 6 minutes of this video. Actually, almost 7. Trying to do that. So why don't we? How much iron I have? I have 13. Okay, so I can make another iron block. So I'm gonna smelter this. I want to do this entire thingy-mahoozy in survival, but I don't know. With the progress I'm at, I may have to cheat a little bit. With my progress I've made. Alright, so let's try and see if we can find another source of lava. It's kind of cloudy and gloomy. It's too bad. I'm not seeing another. I'm seeing a source of water I could plug up. Okay, I guess there maybe isn't another source of lava. Maybe. Well, why would that still be there? I guess if I try and unplug that source of water, I have to go around the other side though. Let me build up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. I jump! Oh, there we go, man. Okay. I didn't think I was gonna make it there for a second. I was like, hello, drowned. Oh, now he's mad at me. There you go. Sorry, buddy. See you, buddy. Ooh. It's not a pig. And the creeper exploded. He was like right on my butt. On my hiney. Alright. Where's that water source? I know it's around here towards the middle, I think. Oh, I can see it better. Hold on, let me clear out this little ledge right here. Yeah, it's over. Oh, crap, I gotta build up. Okay, good thing is I don't have to build far. And good thing is water is actually good for you. Most of your body, not to bring in science or anything into Minecraft, but actually your body's like mostly made up of water, so water is definitely good for you. Probably learned that. I don't know. Unless you're watching this and you're like 3 and you're like, what's water? Mommy, can you tell me what water is? This creepy guy on YouTube. Ow. Telling me about water. Oh, crap. If I build up my health. Wait till my health build up my. Oh, that's where the lava. Maybe there's another lava source over there. I think most of this lava right here is coming from there. Oh. Oh, wow, I didn't know you could do that. You just click towards the lava, it builds for you. Okay, well. Oh, wow. I running out of blocks. Oh, I have 22 dirt. Never mind, I guess I'm not running out of blocks. Yeah. Right. Oh, that's right. Gravel falls. Okay. Not a very good block to use then. I actually may need you for flint. If I can dig you and get more flint. More use, I guess we could say. Mommy, who else make use out of me? Can I produce flint? Oh, your daddy could, honey. So maybe you can. I don't know. I'm just acting very dumb. Always have, always. Oh, okay, I'm gonna break down towards here. Well, I figured. Okay. Figured that would happen. Yeah, I get that. I burned to death. Whatever. So yeah, the title of this video is going to be called Plugging Up the Lava Holes. Video number 3 on the channel. So yeah. Or 4. I don't know. Some type of video on the channel. So that's all we know. Is that it's a video on the channel. Pretty positive it's 3. Oh, it could be 4. I don't know, I've lost track. I'm positive. It's 3. I'm just saying it could be 4. You never can tell. Ow. Ow. Where's the source of lava? It's right this way. Yeah, where did it go? Ow. Oh god. It's gotta be around here somewhere. It has to be around here somewhere. I mean, I think. Maybe I could break my way down to the canyon. Oh, I made it down to the canyon without dying. That's where it is. Okay, well. I hear a spider. I wonder if there's a mob spawner in there. Yeah, I think I saw a spider in there earlier. I know there's a bat. Cute little bat. Okay. I gotta get to the source of lava without burning, to be precise. Oh. Did I drop those slime balls? I don't know. I don't know, and I don't care. I probably should break that block right there because I think that's where the source of the lava is coming from. A good place to build up. Okay, I knew that was gonna happen, and now I'm really mad. Try to swim in lava. Can you swim in lava? Yada yada yada. Man, that's rude. I'm gonna try and plug this lava up before it ends. Gotta get down there. Oh boy, without dying. Ow. But the video is really close to being done, so. Well, anyways, guys, we tried to plug up the lava hole. Sadly, though, we have just about run out of time on this video. But I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I enjoy recording these videos for you. I hope you guys enjoy your day, and so